This is always a great event. I've been seeing it for a while now. And again, you see really good providers coming from the UK ecosystem, a lot of innovators, a lot of traditional banks, and again, great regulators and policymakers. So if you want to come and find out what's happening about the future of payments in the UK, it's a great place to be.
Immediately, I think this event is really different from anything else I've attended. It's a lot more cozy, a lot more intimate, and a lot more interactive, which really, it feels like we are building a long-term friendship and also meaningful connection within the ecosystem.
Events like this are very, very important from an innovation standpoint. A lot of organizations don't get a lot of time out of their busy days, and being able to bring the latest and greatest technology and also innovative thinkers from the industry together into a small space and then to become practitioner-led in terms of the types of conversation and topics, that's really, really important. I think this industry needs this type of event, and I think it's gone off very, very well so far.
I think what's incredible about this place is you've got so many different people coming from different areas of the sector coming together, and it's the only place I know of where you can meet people talking about AI, machine learning, people talking about fraud, identity, and also mingle with other people within the mutual sector as well.
For me, this festival is a great opportunity to get in touch with the latest development on the field of digital innovations. Of course, this event was really packed and overcrowded with AI. Even myself, I was on stage of AI transformation, and it's really amazing to get the latest, and especially the focus on UK, but not only.
I think it's a great event to come to. I think it's at the cutting edge of what's going on in the fintech world, and what we like to do is showcase where we are, what we've got to offer, and also, you know, you're continuing to learn from the rest of the industry as well. So I think it's a bit of showcasing as well as networking.
So I think for me it's just really interesting to see what's happening in the world of embedded finance. At Auto Trader we have a lot of journeys, consumer journeys on the platform, but it's always good to get outside perspectives and think about new ways to engage consumers through those buying journeys.
I love just the fact that, you know, this brings the huge community of professionals. It's a great opportunity to network and also to see what's out there. Quite often in organizations, I always see and I always ask people, how often do you go outside your organization to see what's happening, what people are doing elsewhere? And it's a great opportunity to share experiences here.
We decided to come to the event ourselves this time round, really to be able to showcase some of the technology and the products that we have and to be able to bring those to the market. And we see that this is a really diverse event with lots of different interests and lots of different expectations across the board. So it's good for a good diverse audience.
I use these as almost therapy sessions. There's obviously an industry and a network out there that you just don't get to use, and there's almost a very virtual network of like-minded people, and you get to meet those people in a consolidated 1-2 day session and just talk to them about your own challenges, but also learn from them about their experiences.
So I've been a speaker at this festival for a number of years now, and I've worked closely with the team at Future Identity. I think it's really interesting to see a wide spectrum of attendees, and I think that really helps to enrich the conversations that I've seen at the panels.
This is an interesting event because it puts together different perspectives from different industries on the overall payment ecosystems, and it allows to meet potential partners. So there is a commercial, quote-unquote, aspect which is very interesting in terms of facilitation of business development opportunities with players that are attending the event as well.
It's a great festival. I think this is maybe my 3rd or 4th year. I've been here in many different capacities and roles. I like this particular festival because it's got a great mix of participants from the sector, partners, vendors. You really do have a great range of conversations, good content on stage as well. And it's an opportunity to meet new faces and also reconnect with existing ones. And obviously yourselves, guys.
I absolutely love this event. It feels like we're all part of something. We all want the same thing. So it's really nice and always very well organized with a great venue. And it's really a time where we can reflect on how our work resonates in the industry, to learn from the others if there's any trends, any best practices. So really together as a community come together to reach our goal, which is really to protect our customers.
We're attending because we're an exhibitor, and obviously great audience to come and speak to about everything to to do with identity and finance. We've been some really high-level contacts at some of the best institutions in the world, and a lot of people want to differentiate between vendors and understand exactly what they are getting involved in, particularly around identity. So some really strong conversations with some great companies, and exciting, enjoying it so far.
So two drivers, the one I touched on is meeting other sort of sector and non sort of insurance and healthcare sector SMEs to learn from them and just engage and network, but also to meet the tech companies that are here, because we know what we know, but just coming in, meeting other tech firms and getting them to present their tech to us, there's snippets in there that solution might be right for us, or there might be elements of it that help towards our general controls.
So I chose to attend this festival because I think it's a very good networking opportunity. It's also an opportunity for us to share ideas with peers in all realms of the sector and just to catch up with old friends as well.